Living in a small apartment often feels like you're always short on space. Something's in the way, or there's never a good spot to put things. In this video, we'll show you some smart gadgets from Amazon that make life easier and help you save space. And yes, we're including all the prices so you can shop smartly. You can find all the product links in the description below. Number 30. Floating Nightstand. This wall-mounted bedside shelf is built to withstand daily use while keeping your essentials close by, and it's made from durable pine wood. With a sleek, minimalist design, it fits effortlessly into any decor, from contemporary to mid-century modern, adding a touch of sophistication to your space. Priced at $69, it has a strong structure that can hold books, smartphones, or a glass of water, and mounting it into a wall stud adds extra support. Versatile and multi-purpose, it can also be used as a nightstand, floating side table, or wall shelf. Number 29. Nesting Coffee Table. Nesting coffee tables are a great way to enhance the style and functionality of a small living room. We recommend the Vazagel Nesting Coffee Table for its modern industrial design and reasonable price. This set offers 3 practical tables to meet your needs. The maximum weight recommendation is 44 pounds, and the item weighs 9 kilograms. It features a frame made of particle board and steel, with a top crafted from engineered wood, all in a sleek triangular shape. Number 28. Transformer Table. This solid wood folding table effortlessly expands from a small dining table for 2 to a large 12-person dinner table. It can support up to 750 pounds. This durable set of wooden dining and coffee tables ensures stability thanks to high-quality solid wood and engineered hardwood. The tables are scratch-resistant and heat-resistant for long-lasting everyday use. The set includes a coffee table with each dining table. No tools are required for setup. The table is easy to expand, store, and clean. Number 27. Overhead Storage Rack. Maximize your garage space with this heavy-duty overhead storage system. Built to hold up to 600 pounds, it's rigorously tested for safety and durability. Adjustable drop-down brackets let you store seasonal or infrequently used items off the floor, protecting them from water damage. The design includes long ceiling brackets secured to 2 studs and 6 vertical posts for extra stability. Currently priced at $131, it comes with high-quality screws and hardware for long-term use. The integrated grid system adds strength, making it more durable. Number 26. Allewie Bed Frame. This queen-size platform bed offers a perfect mix of style, comfort, and smart storage. It has 4 roomy drawers underneath to keep your bed sheets, clothes, and accessories neatly organized, making the most of your bedroom space. Now this one is priced at $199. It features a linen upholstered headboard with diamond button tufted detailing, adding a touch of luxury. The adjustable height works with mattresses from 6 to 14 inches. Strong wooden slats provide solid support, so you don't need a box spring. Number 25. Balcony Bar Table. This table can be hung on both rectangular and round balconies. Featuring a PS tabletop, premium paint coating, and stainless steel brackets, it's designed to resist rust and corrosion. With a sturdy triangular design and a spacious tabletop measuring about 31 inches in length and 12 inches in width, this hanging balcony table can support up to 50 pounds. When not in use, simply press and fold it to save valuable balcony space. Number 24. Pickpiff Black Blanket Ladder. This stylish and practical home accessory is priced at $23.99 and offers both decoration and storage in one. Its leaning design features 4 metal bars, perfect for hanging blankets, throws, towels, or even magazines, making the most of unused corners or narrow spaces. Built with strong steel and a rust-resistant finish, it's sturdy, scratch-resistant, and won't wobble thanks to anti-skid feet. Easy to assemble without drilling or wall mounting, it can be moved effortlessly between rooms. Number 23. Xabitat Tabletop Ironing Board. This foldable tabletop ironing board is perfect for small spaces, dorm rooms, or apartments, offering a convenient and stylish way to tackle laundry. Priced at $49 right now, it features a wall-mounted design with an iron holder, keeping your area organized and aesthetically pleasing. The thick cover and padding ensure minimal creasing while ironing, while the strong lock-in mechanism provides stability and support. Lightweight yet durable, it has been stress-tested for over 2 2,000 open-close cycles and can hold up to 60 pounds without bending. Number 22. Accordion Room. This collapsible prefab is a smart solution for flexible living spaces. When you need a room, it expands like an accordion into a compact office, studio, or hangout area. Once you're done, it folds back into a 26 square foot cube, saving you space. Inside, it's equipped with built-in seating, a sink, lighting, and plenty of storage for your essentials. The design uses CNC cut wood panels that slot together like a puzzle, making it fast to assemble and easy to adjust, offering complete flexibility to suit your needs. Number 21. Comfee Mini Washing Machine. This compact washing machine is perfect for small spaces like apartments, dorms, RVs, or even bathrooms. Featuring 5 wash programs and 3 water levels, it allows customization of load size, wash, rinse, and spin times. Currently priced at $230, the top-load design with a transparent lid makes it easy to monitor your laundry, while durable, rust-resistant steel ensures long-lasting performance. Equipped with an LED display, wheels for portability, and auto-unbalance detection for safety, it offers quiet, efficient washing with up to 840 RPM spin speed. Energy efficient and easy to move, it's ideal for small households needing convenience and reliability. Number 20. Folding chair stool. This folding entryway stool is perfect for saving space and adding convenience to small areas like your home or office. It easily folds and unfolds, making it super practical. With a sturdy build, it supports up to 330 pounds, offering stable and comfortable seating. The anti-slip pads ensure quiet operation when folding or unfolding, so there's no annoying noise. This clever design helps you maximize space, making it an ideal hidden seat or small foldable chair for entryways. Number 19. Wall Outlet Shelf. The Baratech Industries shelf can be easily mounted onto an outlet and holds up to 10 pounds, making it a must-have for small apartments. This socket shelf works as both a charging shelf and an Echo Dot wall mount, offering a great alternative to command strip shelves. Place it at the top or bottom of an outlet to store home gadgets and keep your space tidy, from your bathroom vanity to your dorm room desk. Number 18. Clothes Drying Rack. This wall-mounted drying rack is a smart space-saving solution for any laundry area or apartment. Its trifold design extends to 47.2 inches, while folding down to just 14 inches for compact storage. Going for $32, it swings 180 degrees and includes 12 rotating hooks, plus a hidden telescopic rod, giving you maximum drying space. Installation is flexible, with options for punch-free adhesive or traditional drilling on smooth surfaces. Made from sturdy aluminum with multi-layered paint protection, it supports up to 220 pounds of clothing, 150 pounds with adhesive, while resisting rust, corrosion, acids, and alkalis for long-lasting performance. Number 17. Bigsyy Sofa Bed. This versatile piece of furniture is perfect for small spaces, effortlessly transforming between a chair, ottoman, lounger, and single bed to suit your needs. Currently priced at $215, it features a sturdy steel frame and high-density sponge cushions wrapped in premium linen fabric, offering both comfort and durability. The adjustable backrest includes 6 locking positions, while a soft pillow provides extra support for long periods of use. Ready to use right out of the box, it requires no assembly. Its clean lines, armless design, and classic light gray color make it a stylish addition that complements modern decor while staying highly functional. Number 16. StorageWorks Underbed Storage. These underbed storage containers are perfect for keeping your clothes, shoes, and seasonal items organized and out of sight. Available for $29, each bin features a large transparent lid and built-in label holder, making it easy to identify contents at a glance. Smooth metal zippers provide easy access, while ultra-thick fabric reinforced with cardboard on the sides, and bottom ensures durability and long-term use. Thick PU handles on 3 sides make carrying and retrieving effortless. Number 15. Folding Dining Table. When every square foot counts, this folding dining table is a smart solution. It expands to seat 6 people, or you can fold one side for a smaller setup. If you need more space, simply close it completely to use as a console or desk. 6 wheels make it easy to roll anywhere, and built-in shelves keep your essentials within reach. This extendable table offers flexibility. It can adjust in size to fit 2 to 6 seats, and features high-quality swivel casters for smooth movement and adjustment. adjustable feet. Number 14, hanging jewelry cabinet. This wall-mounted jewelry cabinet helps clear the clutter of boxes and cases that usually hold rings, earrings, and other jewelry while adding a mirror and lighting to your room. Inside, 6 LED lights provide soft, cozy lighting when you open the door. The full-length mirror gives you a head-to-toe view of your outfit, and the real glass ensures better angles without the funhouse effect, so you can admire your beauty with a clear, true reflection. Number 13, Famapy Murphy Bed. The Famapy full-size Murphy bed with a charging station and drawer is a great space saver for small apartments or guest rooms. Its smart folding design easily transforms from a stylish cabinet into a full-size bed, freeing up floor space when not in use. The built-in charging station lets you charge your phone or lamp right by your bed, while the large bottom drawer offers storage for pillows and quilts. Made from high-quality MDF with sturdy construction and smooth rollers, it's built to last and easy to use. Number 12, drawer divider. These organizers are a great way to keep things tidy and easy to find. They come in different colors and designs, so you can match them to your drawers. What I like most is how versatile they are. You can use them however you need. They also fit nicely into standard 13 by 13 bins. They're especially handy for sorting laundry. Made from non-woven fabric, the set includes 4 bins, one with 6 cells for scarves and ties, one with 8 cells for underwear, one with 7 cells for bras, and one with 24 cells for socks. Number 11, Bedsure Comforter Duvet Insert. This all-season comforter provides soft, cozy warmth in winter while staying breathable in the summer, making it a versatile addition to any bedroom. Now selling for just $36, it features a gentle soft polyester fill and durable shell, crafted through 32 plus steps for a plush, high-quality feel. The box stitch design keeps the fill evenly distributed and maintains its shape after washing. Equipped with 8 convenient tabs, it can easily double as a duvet insert, allowing you to style it with a cover of your choice. Number 10, space-saving table. This drop leaf table is a smart pick for small spaces or studio apartments. You can open it up when you need extra room, and the stools slide right underneath when not in use. It moves easily on smooth rolling casters, has 2 drawers with cutout handles for storage, and comes in a rich coffee finish made from solid and composite wood. Plus, all the hardware and tools for assembly are packed in one box for convenience. Number 9, inflatable couch. This inflatable couch comes with a built-in pump and a tough inner layer made from high-strength PVC that prevents leaks and helps it keep its shape. The outside is covered in durable 1000D Oxford cloth so it can handle tears and even pet scratches. It also includes a removable, rechargeable high-speed pump that inflates the couch in just 4 minutes. Just press once and you're ready to relax, no manual pumping needed. Number 8, desktop shelf organizer. This adjustable desktop organizer is a great option for keeping your workspace neat and stylish. Now priced at $25, it offers multiple configurations, extending up to 22.5 inches or retracting to 14 inches, making it suitable for both large and compact desks. Made from durable MDF, it's ideal for storing books, stationery, or small plants. With 6 color options, it adds charm to any space. Number 7, Lifezone Twin Bed Frame. This twin bed frame offers a perfect mix of style, storage, and convenience. Priced at $189, it features a 2-tier headboard with built-in outlets, USB, and Type-C ports, so you can easily charge your devices right by your bed. 4 sliding drawers give you plenty of space for clothes and essentials, while a strong metal frame with 11 rods and 6 legs supports up to 800 pounds. The RGB LED light belt is customizable with a remote or app, allowing you to set the colors. Number 6, floor TV stand. This floor mount TV cart is a clever space-saving solution designed to work with most 23-inch to 60-inch flat or curved TVs and monitors. Made from strong alloy steel with a sleek black finish, it includes a tilt feature to improve viewing comfort and reduce glare. The smooth wheels make it easy to move the TV between rooms, while the locking system keeps it secure in place. Its compact and sturdy design can hold up to 88 pounds, helping you save space and keep your home or office organized without extra clutter. Number 5, SPACELEAD Slim Storage Cart. The SPACELEAD Slim Storage Cart is a great way to use up narrow spaces in your bathroom, kitchen, or laundry room. This 4-tier cart slides easily between cabinets or or appliances, offering extra storage where you need it most. The wheels make it simple to move around, and the slide-out shelves make accessing your items super easy. It's a space-saving, practical solution for anyone with limited space. Plus, it's sleek, portable, and available for just $20. Number 4, Bambüsi Bathtub Tray Caddy. Turn your bath into a relaxing retreat with this bamboo tray, currently available for $29. It adjusts to fit tubs from 29.5 to 42.9 inches and can hold books, tablets, wine, candles, or bath essentials, making every soak feel special. Made from eco-friendly bamboo, it's treated with a waterproof finish to stay durable and safe from moisture while keeping your items secure. Easy to use and care for, this tray turns any bath into a relaxing escape. Number 3, Cup Holder Tray. This silicone armrest tray is perfect for keeping drinks, snacks, remotes, and phones close while you relax on the couch. Designed with anti-slip and anti-spill features, it fits most drink sizes up to 3.5 inches wide. The detachable inner adapter secures smaller bottles or cans, while the spacious tray holds your essentials neatly. It easily fits sofa arms that are 6 inches or wider, and can also be used on any flat surface as a mini side table. Number 2, Neprock Clothes Organizer. The Neprock clothes organizers are perfect for small spaces, like apartments, helping you make the most of vertical storage while keeping things neat. These strong foldable bins are made of durable PP plastic, easy to clean, and stay in shape over time. You can stack them to fit your space, saving floor area. The slide rails on the bottom make it easy to grab items without disturbing the stack. Plus, when you're not using them, they fold flat to save more space. Great for clothes, towels, toys, and more. Number 1, Euhomy Compact Laundry Dryer. This compact clothes dryer is ideal for small spaces like apartments or dorms, but it's powerful enough with a 26.4 pound capacity and 1,500 watts of power, reaching temperatures up to 140 degrees Fahrenheit for fast drying. Its front and back flip design ensures clothes rotate fully. With 4 drying modes, strong, intelligent, eco, and normal, you can dry everything from heavy loads to delicate items. Now at $349, it has a wide, transparent door for easy loading and monitoring. So that's all for today's roundup. We'd love to hear from you. Drop a comment below and tell us which gadget grabbed your attention or earned a spot on your wish list. Thanks for watching.